In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy data from view-only Google Sheets, including multiple sheets, and make sure this method works in 2024. This is a great way to manage your workflow, especially when you need to take a look at the data offline or manipulate it further. So grab your laptop and let's dive in. First things first, let's go ahead and open up the Google Sheet you have. Make sure it's in view-only mode. That's the kind where you can see the data but can't make any changes directly. You should see this at the top of the sheet with the message reading, View Only. Once you've got the sheet open, head over to the address bar on your web browser. You're going to see something like this, docs.google.com/spreadsheets. With this URL, you want to find a specific word, edit, which usually comes towards the end of the address string. When you find it, simply replace edit with preview. This clever trick allows you to view the sheet in a format that helps you with data extraction. Now, hit the Enter key on your keyboard to reload the page with your changes. You should notice that the sheet looks a little different than before. What you're seeing now is a static preview, which is easier to work with for our next steps. Next, it's time to select all the data. Click inside your sheet, then drag your mouse to highlight all the cells filled with data. If you prefer shortcuts, there's always Ctrl+A for a quick select. Once your data is highlighted, right-click with your mouse to bring up the Options menu. From here, choose Copy. This copies all the selected data to your clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. Now, we're moving on to creating a new Google Sheet. Open up Google Sheets in your browser and create a new blank spreadsheet. This new document is where you'll be pasting the data you've just copied. Click on the Edit menu at the top of your new sheet and look for the Paste Special option. Hover over it, and you should see some drop-down options appear. Click the one that says Values Only. This ensures you're pasting just the raw data and not any formatting or formulas that might not work outside the original sheet. If you need to copy data from more tabs in the initial sheet, simply add a new sheet tab in your newly created Google Sheet. Return to your view-only Google Sheet and repeat the process for any additional tabs. Keep doing this until you've copied everything you need into your new document. And there you have it, a step-by-step method to easily replicate data from a view-only Google Sheet into your own editable version. This method will give you the freedom to edit and organize your data however you see fit. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.